breathe. Let this moment be still. Let your heart, your body, your mind begin to soften. You have carried enough for one day. You have fought thoughts you couldn't quiet and held on to things you didn't need to carry alone. But now the night has come, and the night is God's reminder that you are allowed to rest. So breathe again, deeply, slowly, as if every breath were a soft wave washing over your heart. The world is dimming, the room grows quieter, and in this sacred quiet, God is here. You are safe to let go. Cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. Let that truth settle like a blanket over your soul. He cares for you, not in part, not in measure, but completely, endlessly. He holds what you cannot hold. He sees what you cannot yet see. And He calls you gently. Rest, Father. Tonight, I bring you the weight I can no longer carry, the worries that chase me when the lights go out, the fears that whisper when the world grows still. I lay them here, each one a stone I no longer need in my hands, the thought that loops in my mind, the pain that will not fade, the question with no answer yet. I give it to you. Teach me how to breathe again, how to feel your presence as close as my heartbeat. When my chest tightens, remind me that I am not alone. When sleep feels far, remind me that your peace does not depend on how fast I fall asleep. Let your Spirit settle over me like gentle rain. Let it quiet the noise that no one else can hear. And let your light, soft, steady, fill the corners of my mind that fear the dark. I release control. I surrender outcomes. I trust you with what I cannot fix. You are the keeper of my soul, the calm in my storm, the stillness that restores my strength. Let your peace move through me like a lullaby. Let my heart remember, I am yours, and that is enough. Now, feel the rhythm of your breath, and with every breath, picture your thoughts resting in God's hands. One by one, He gathers them. Nothing is lost, nothing forgotten. But everything is lighter now. God of peace, wrap this heart in your stillness tonight. Let every muscle, every thought, every ache find rest in you. As sleep comes, may it come gently. As dreams rise, may they be calm and kind. And when morning breaks, may it find a heart renewed, not because all is solved, but because all has been surrendered. Tonight, I am not striving. I am simply loved, held, kept. So I rest in that truth, and let the night carry me into your peace. Amen.